Hello and welcome to the Rifleman Firearms Range User's Guide. In this video we'd like to demonstrate how to use our facility using the correct procedures. Please bring your firearm certificate on each visit. If your license is in for renewal or a variation, please call ahead of your booking so we can check with the licensing department. Please arrive in plenty of time for our booking in procedure and in case you need to buy any ammunition or targets. The duty range officer will brief all shooters prior to the shooting sessions. Welcome to our introduction to range safety. To use this facility, you must understand and follow these range commands. At point, the rifle must point down range towards your target. Removed from its bag, it must remain pointing towards the target down range. Any accessories not required during your session must be placed onto the rack. The range command "carry on" allows the shooter to continuously shoot until their time expires or they need to leave the booth or they have a misfire. Misfire! Range officer, check clear please. Once the range officer has checked and cleared your rifle, you may retrieve your bag to bring to your rifle. The rifles do not go to the bags.